start with that. Okay, there we go.
All right. I woke up one morning and found my cigarettes and everything I've been missing in the morning. And it'd take me a while to find it. That this time I just walked right to it. I knew it was there. And that's been going on ever since.
That's fabulous. So did that happen? How many sessions did you have to do to get that to happen?
The first one I spent with you.
Fabulous. And what else happened with your smoking? Did you stop smoking? Did you?
No, I did not totally stop smoking, but I have cut it down to a point where I'm happy with it.
Really good. So what does that mean? I know you were smoking a pack a day. What happened?
No, I was doing about 6 a day.
Okay. And now where are you at?
About 4 a day, sometimes less than that.
Okay.
It depends on where I'm doing and what I'm doing.
All right. So let's see what else has improved.
I don't do it in front of my grandkid or the baby or the great-grandchild. Definitely not. So that's a question for somebody else. It's not mine.
Okay.
I don't do it.
So what else improved after you came to see Angelica?
My memory.
And
that's the main thing.
How soon did your memory improve?
By knowing what I was looking for and where I had to go to get it.
Fabulous. And how many days after your first session did that happen?
All 3 or 4.
Perfect. Okay. Would you recommend this therapy to other people?
Sure.
All right.
If it's helped me, it's got to help other people.
And what about your headaches, Bill? Did you have headaches before?
No. For a while there I did. And even after I cut the smoking down the next night, I still have headaches.
Are the headaches?
And not sitting out there with that thing in my head.
Yes.
I had a headache.
Okay. You had a headache because it was healing you. That's why.
Oh, that's good.
All right. Thank you, Bill.
Mm-hmm.